Brisbane, the capital of the Australian state of Queensland, is a vibrant and diverse city offering a unique combination of natural beauty and urban charm. Known for its warm climate and friendly locals, Brisbane has become a popular choice for travellers looking for an unforgettable Australian experience. Exploring Brisbane with a drone allows viewers to see its diverse neighbourhoods from above. For those interested in tourism and travel, an aerial view of Brisbane provides the opportunity to showcase its many attractions. Tourism plays an important role in Brisbane's economy, attracting millions of visitors every year. The city boasts many attractions and entertainment to suit every taste. The subtropical climate makes it ideal for outdoor activities, such as exploring the Brisbane Botanic Gardens or a leisurely stroll through the parklands of the South Bank. For those who love nature and outdoor adventure, Brisbane offers easy access to breathtaking national parks such as Moreton Island and Lamington National Park. These natural spots provide opportunities for hiking, wildlife encounters, and even sandboarding on pristine sand dunes. Whether you're planning a short visit or an extended stay in Australia, Brisbane should definitely be on your itinerary. Its unique combination of natural beauty, cultural diversity and exciting attractions makes it a must-visit city that will leave you with lasting memories.